Hi guys! For this video, we're here at Maclure Beach. So, yeah. So, beach may mga nag-swimming. Green na green yung water. Ayan guys, green na green yung water sa Maclure Beach. So may mga naliligo. Even Tuesday today, may mga work yung iba. Yung iba naliligo sa dagat. So marami din naman naliligo. Blue na blue yung water. Blue, green. It's like blue-green color. Blue-green color. So may mga bahay rin siya doon. Yachts doon or bar o yachts. Bahay din.
Forgot my sunglasses.
We're going there? It's a big house.
All of them are out.
Nice, no? In front of the beach. If you feel hot, just walk. I mean, siguro 3 minutes swim. It's not far in front ng the house yung beach. Yeah. Tayo. Hindi siya hindi.
Building way down there. All the way down there. Big buildings all the way down the bottom. The end. You see that?
I didn't see
Straight
clearly.
ahead. Well, that's Jacksonville Beach, where you were yesterday.
I see.
That was yesterday. This is today. We're further south.
Okay. This is not white sand. This is maybe black.
No, it's wet.
Oh, okay. Basa lang siya.
It dries. It will turn white.
Okay. White sand din siya. Nabasa lang. Lakad-lakad muna kami.
White down there.
Yep. Okay. Siguro yung water in the morning, just right here water. So maybe nag-move na yung water. May mga nag-relax. Relaxing. Then may mga nag-fishing din. Is that yacht or boat? Shrimp boat.
So they get shrimp.
That's house too.
All of them.
Different style. Yeah. Wala. Nalapit tayo sa may water. Yung wearing ko today. Parang magja-jogging ako. So, oh, wow! Nakakuha siya ng fish, guys. Look at that. Ay. Hala ka. Even if you try fishing there, we have what? Fish?
There's fish out. Wow. It's the ocean. What are you talking about?
What is trying to... Oh!
They're too small. He's throwing them back.
Oh! Binalik niya yung isda, guys. Mga fishing dito. Binalik niya yung fish. Fish kasi too small. You always forgot your sunglasses, you know? Do you want to? Let's go, come back. To have your... Kalimutan niya lagi yung salamin niya sa eye niya.
I don't want to cinch it.
Oh.
Don't
Nice, the color of the
sky.
sky. Blue, white, with sand. With sand. Nice eh, mga rich owner
Yeah,
this
sure
house.
is.
It's nice. Ayan. Okay.
Have one house costs as much as
He's trying to find a shells?
Shark.
Shark?
Tooth.
Tooth?
Tooth.
Tooth?
Tooth.
Ah, tooth. Shark tooth. Ooh. Nice kayo. I like the hot weather. But not
Oh, you said it was cold.
sobra.
You said it was cold.
Not cold. Just today, hot weather today. So not cold. So green. Nice color. Naglak si Doggy, mag-swimming ba si Doggy? So ayan, naglakad-lakad lang kami kasi walang pasok si Mike. Until next week. Thursday pa may pasok siya, so nilabas-labas niya muna ako sa lungga. Nilalabas-labas sa lungga. Sapatos kami dito kasi maglakad-lakad lang kami, hindi kami mag-swimming kasi so may mga ano dito sa mga ito grasses. Dami pang punta dito. Yeah. Nice. Pero ayaw maligo kasi malamig ang hangin. Marami pong punta sa dagat even Tuesday. Walang mapasok itong mga taong to. So even si Michael walang pasok. So next week pa nga ang Thursday. Pero may mga busy siya sa meeting. So look. Look, itong flowers na to, mga youths, meron yan sa Philippines. Yung burikat ang tawag yun sa Bisaya, burikat flowers. Gara ng burikat flowers. So may mga nice house din sa top. Ay, siguro, ako, trespassing. Trespassing. Flowers. Mabango ba itong flowers nito? So babalik na kami sa truck kasi may meeting pa siya sa pool. I pick one flowers, trying to smell if no smell. Ayan. Parang siyang sunflowers pero small siya. Flowers for you. You let's buy it if you got the flowers. And balik na kami sa truck kasi may meeting pa si Mike. Lagay ko to sa akin ko yung post dito. May mga white color. Huh? Alright, use the bathroom. Alright, I'm waiting you.
This way.
This way. This way. Which way? Oh, I'm waiting you here. Sir Mike always use the bathroom. There you go. So I got flowers in my way. So dito yung nagtatangay yung mga truck. At truck, mga cars. Yung mga taong nagliligo pa pala sa akin. So andito ako outside waiting ni Sir Mike. Kasi na-bathroom siya. So yung flowers na nilagay ko gusto sa tenga ko. So maglakad-lakad lang naman kami. Hindi kami maliligo. Kasi mga around 3 PM susunduin namin si Santino sa school. Oh, so, hot weather today. May iba may pasok, may iba wala. So tapos na siya.
This way.
Wait. So ayan, babalik na siya truck. Kasi may meeting si Sir Mike. Oh, we're there. Ang daming ano. Ay, house pala yun. Ayun. Mas pasok na tayo. So, yun yung labasan. Diyan sila papasok sa may white na yan. Yung white na yan. Diyan sila papasok pagkakita. So, ito yung labasan. Kung saan sila napapark ng mga sasakyan nila. Weather naman today. So that's it. Bye!